Hello, beautiful people. I know it's been a minute. I'm so excited to be sitting here recording a video and chatting with you all. If you're new here, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. She's back. She's back. And better than ever. Let me know if you want a live update video because a lot has changed, but that's not why we're here today. Before we jump into it, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. If you like videos about fashion, beauty, food, travel, this is the place for you. Today's video is all about jewelry. Linjer reached out to me to send me some of their pieces, so we're gonna go through them together. This is going to be a review slash first impressions unboxing video. I've got the goods, so let's get into it. When you get a package from Linjer, this is how it's gonna come. I don't remember exactly what I got. I know that my purpose when I picked the pieces was to be able to stack them together. I've already opened the box. I know what it looks like. I just don't know what the jewelry looks like. Let's open the box. There is a card. Hey there, we started Linjer in 2014 out of our own personal desire. We wanted to look polished at work, but had difficulty finding well-made accessories that did not cost a fortune. Hello, somebody. Anybody else can relate to that? Since the beginning of our journey, the 3 pillars of the brand have been beautiful design, ethical sourcing, love that, and fair pricing. We take pride in incorporating sustainable practices, period, in our business, like using 100% recycled gold and silver and lab-grown diamonds. I absolutely love that sustainability is at the core of what they do. First thing I noticed is this cute little travel bag. It says stay golden Linjer, and Linjer means line in Norwegian. A little language lesson for you. And they chose the name because of their minimalistic aesthetic. How cute is this packaging? I almost don't want to open it. I got 6 pieces, so let's go in with this first one. What is this? That's for you. Designed for thoughtful individuals, people who curate their lives and the objects they own. That's you and me. Our timeless jewelry is made with sustainable materials and ethical manufacturing practices. Yours to love for years to come, the Linjer team. Period. I love that. Okay, so the piece is actually in this navy blue bag. Care instructions, and the box itself has a message. Let's get the first piece out. It comes in a little baggie like this. I'm not as keen on the plastic. Wow, this ring is pretty. It is the Freya leaf ring. Look at how dainty and beautiful this design is. It looks so minimalistic, but with a little bit of a twist. It is made of gold vermeil. It is a silver base plated with super thick 22 karat gold so that it can really last, but still you get that beautiful shine, that beautiful quality. This is stunning. I wish you could see it in person. Okay, I'm getting too excited. Let's go to the next piece. It's the Lillian ring in gold vermeil. It's a beautiful design, very minimalistic, great to wear on its own or stack with other pieces. How cute is that? So far, I'm loving the minimalistic design of the pieces, but I feel like they also make such a beautiful statement. Spoiler alert, there's another ring. This ring is Ilse. It fits perfectly right here. This stack is coming together beautifully. Don't you think so? If you're looking for fine jewelry without the price tag, they also do carry 14 karat gold and silver, so you can find whatever you're looking for. The last piece that I got is this ring in silver. It's the Lillian ring, which is the same as this one, because sometimes I like mixing my metals. Do you mix your metals? Let me know in the comments. I'm liking this look so far, but I'm gonna continue playing around with it. With some of my other jewelry, I have a mix of metals, and I love that Linjer also offers a mix of metals. I like to mix my metals. I don't know what it is about mixing metals that I love so much, but I'm that girl. I've been wanting a tennis bracelet for the longest time. It looks so beautiful. Look at that. If you want one, it is the tennis bracelet in silver with white cubic zirconia. And look how shiny it is. You would think it's real diamonds. And I think I actually also got it in gold, yellow gold. Let's see. I did. I told you all I am in my stacking era, and so I also got it in yellow golds because I will be stacking these bracelets. This one is in gold vermeil and it just looks absolutely stunning. It's not diamonds, but you would never know. This is what they look like together. Linjer is really giving that luxury without the price tag, with sustainable practices too. I forgot to mention that there are 3 settings for you to adjust to the size of your wrist, which is very convenient, so that you don't need to go to the jeweler to get it to fit you. you. There are 2 things left in the box, and I wasn't sure if I got earrings or not, but I did, which I'm really glad. I got this pair. They are the Rebecca Pearl hoops in gold vermeil. How beautiful are they? And it's such a different look for me. I don't really wear a lot of pearls, and that's why I picked them. I love the hoop. It's giving very casual, but the pearl, it just elevates the look just a little bit, which is really what I wanted. We won't fully know until we try them on. Yes, yes. Elevated casual, very pretty and dainty. Linjer jewelry is really perfect for every day, and I really like that. If you haven't liked this video yet, go ahead, like, comment, subscribe. Last thing to unbox from this really generous package that Linjer sent me to get my opinions. And let me know which piece has been your favorite so far. Any of these rings, earrings, the tennis bracelets. I cannot wait to wear those tennis bracelets. Actually, I can't wait to wear everything. Like, this is gonna become my everyday jewelry. You're gonna see it a lot. If you don't follow me on Instagram, follow me there, TikTok. I'll be wearing this all the time, you'll see. Oh, how neat is this? I think it's a jewelry box, like a travel. It's in a tan color. It's very, very sleek, very chic with a gold zipper. And this says Linjer right here. When you open it, it looks like this. Perfect for your rings, your bracelets, your necklaces. I didn't get any necklaces, but I know they have stunning ones on the website. If you're interested in any of those pieces, you can use my code Conscious and Chic for a special offer. This is such a nice, neat little, and you know me, I like to travel light, so being able to have something this compact to put my jewelry in is fabulous, beautiful. How fabulous was this? These pieces are definitely gonna be in rotation for my everyday jewelry. I love the luxe quality at an affordable price point because in this economy, yeah. Thank you so much for this generous gift and for introducing me and my community to your products. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And until my next one, remember to stay conscious and chic. Bye.